Here we are back with some arts and crafts today. We're going to be doing some a little seat thing, the rest of the seat, finishing up the seat. So I think I have everything that I need: foam, glue, material, more material, rivets, and then I even got some bluing dye for the metal to try to prevent the metal from rusting and making it like kind of cool looking, even though it's going to be covered completely. Oh, I guess I should mention I've pretty much finished, I think, all the fabrication on the seat pan, which does include some newly added holes for the rivets, to rivet the material around everything, around the foam, the metal, and all of that. God damn it. This bluing solution, this is usually used for like gun parts and stuff. And I thought it would be kind of a cool thing to do on this thing. I just washed it off with some water and then wiped it off the paper towel. It seems like it's still reacting because it's still getting like flash rust like as we speak, but looks pretty good. Looks a lot darker than it was. I'm gonna do, I think, one more round of bluing on it just for funsies. Or maybe not, I don't know. I might leave it like this. Scratch that. We're not gonna do another coat or really do any oil or anything. I'm just gonna leave it as is, so I can use, I forgot I'm using spray glue on this surface and then also on the foam, which is the next step. I'm gonna cut some foam up and glue it to this real quick.
15 and a first down for the Falcons.
Yeah, you talk about a team that desperately needed that. Desmond Ritter, his best pass of the game so far. Shadoux Smith went down. Nice little timing right there as Ritter pumped once.
Sack, a loss of 14. Allen in there with Trey Hearn, and Josh Allen's got multiple sacks in the first half.
That's his second sack of the day. And I feel like he deserves, if he's got 2 sacks, he needs to do 2 sack dances. Do a little wiggle, Josh Allen. Came into the game with 3. Now
He's a sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance. Currently building a super weapon capable of destroying entire planets. He's also the arch enemy of Buzz Lightyear. Also happens to be his father.
just wonder when the Falcons are going to want to play action. They're going to put the ball out, fake like they're giving it to Bijan, and then look over the top. Because the Jaguars' defense right now is keying on every running back that the Falcons have.
That's a popular plays. Play action, try to fake out the defense. Second down and 2. Ritter calls out the play, hands it to Robinson, evades one tackle, can't get away from Cisco. A gain of 2 should be enough for a first down for Atlanta.
I think I got the shaping done to the point where I might start the covering process here. So I initially started shaping with a kitchen knife, like a bread knife or whatever, which was really not great. For this rebonded foam that I'm using, it just like chunks out pretty bad. But when I switched to the 2-inch, this made the difference. I was able to shape really well with that guy. Get all these edges nice and kind of smooth all the way around. This area I'm still kind of worried about. I'm not really sure how the stitching and the upholstery is going to go on these 2 sections on either side. The foam looks good, but it just seems like the upholstery is going to get pulled really hard at this angle. And I don't want to like smooth it out anymore, I don't think. I don't know. I might. We'll see. We'll see. I might have to think about that before I proceed, but yeah, for the most part, pretty much done. Hopefully it looks even on camera. It looks pretty good in person, so I'm pretty happy with it. The seat pan warped a little bit when I was welding on it, so that's what that is, but I'm just gonna live with it. Cool.